A Ring doorbell is a very smart doorbell for your home. It lets you see who comes to your door. You can see this on your smartphone or your tablet. This is very handy because you can check your door from anywhere. Maybe you are at work or on vacation. The Ring doorbell has a built-in camera. It also has a microphone and a speaker. This means you can see, hear, and speak to anyone at your door. It makes your home feel safer. Many people choose a Ring doorbell to increase their home security. It is a popular choice for many families. Knowing who is at your front door, even when you are away, gives great peace of mind. You can receive alerts on your phone when someone presses the doorbell. You also get alerts if it detects motion nearby. This can help deter unwanted visitors. Installing it yourself can be a simple project. This guide will show you how to do it easily. You will feel good about making your home smarter and safer. Before you start installing your new Ring doorbell, you need to gather some tools. Most Ring doorbell kits come with many of the small parts you will need. You will usually find a mounting bracket in the box. There will also be screws and sometimes wall anchors. A special screwdriver is often included too. You will need your own Phillips head screwdriver for some steps. A drill might be needed, especially for brick or stucco walls. Make sure you have a drill bit that is the right size for the screws and anchors. A pencil will be useful for marking spots. It is also a good idea to have a level. A level helps you make sure the doorbell is straight. Nobody wants a crooked doorbell on their house. If your Ring doorbell is a battery-powered model, make sure to fully charge the battery first. This is very important. The kit includes an orange charging cable for this purpose. Plug it into the battery, and then into a USB charger. Wait until the indicator light shows it is fully charged. This can take several hours, so plan ahead. Having all your tools and parts ready makes the job go much faster. Safety is the most important thing when working with anything electrical. If you are replacing an existing wired doorbell, you must turn off the power. Go to your home's circuit breaker box. Find the breaker that controls your doorbell. Switch it to the off position. This is a very crucial step. Working with live electrical wires can be dangerous. It can cause shocks or injuries. Always double-check that the power is off before you touch any wires. You can test this by pressing your old doorbell. If it does not ring, the power is likely off. Once you are sure the power is off, you can remove your old doorbell. Usually, old doorbells are held in place by a couple of screws. Carefully unscrew the old doorbell from the wall. You will see two small wires connected to it. Gently loosen the screws holding these wires. Then, carefully detach the wires from the old doorbell unit. Be careful not to let the wires fall back into the wall. You might want to gently bend them so they stick out a little. This will make it easier to connect them to your new Ring doorbell later on. Now it is time to mount the Ring doorbell's bracket. Take the mounting bracket that came with your Ring doorbell. Hold it against the wall where you want your doorbell to be. Use your pencil to mark the screw hole locations on the wall. If you are installing on wood, you might be able to screw directly. If you are installing on brick, stucco, or concrete, you will need to drill holes first. Use the correct size drill bit for the wall anchors provided in your kit. Gently tap the anchors into the drilled holes. Then, line up the bracket with the holes and use the provided screws to attach it firmly to the wall. Use your level to ensure it's straight. If you are using existing doorbell wires, now you connect them. Your Ring doorbell will have two screws on the back. Loosen these screws slightly, take one of the wires from your wall and loop it around one of the screws. Then, tighten the screw to hold the wire securely. Do the same thing with the other wire and the other screw. It usually does not matter which wire goes to which screw. Make sure the wires are not touching each other after they are connected. If you have a battery-powered Ring doorbell and are not using wires, you can skip this step. Just ensure your battery is charged and ready. After connecting the wires for a wired installation, take a moment to ensure they are secure. Give each wire a gentle tug to make sure it is firmly held by the screw. You do not want them to come loose later. Also, ensure there are no bare wire parts touching each other or the metal mounting bracket, if it's metal. This could cause a short circuit. Some Ring models come with wire extenders or connectors if your existing wires are too short. Use these if needed, following the instructions. Good, secure connections are key for a wired Ring doorbell to work properly and safely for a long time. Now you can attach the Ring doorbell unit to the mounting bracket. Most Ring doorbells are designed to easily click onto the bracket. Align the top of the doorbell with the top of the bracket, then push the bottom part of the doorbell towards the wall until it clicks into place. It should feel secure on the bracket. to make sure it stays there, and to prevent theft, Ring doorbells come with a special security screw. This screw is usually a small star-shaped or Torx screw. Use the special screwdriver that came in your Ring kit to install this security screw at the bottom of the doorbell unit. This locks it onto the bracket. If you turned off the power at the circuit breaker earlier, now is the time to turn it back on. Go back to your circuit breaker box. Find the breaker you switched off for the doorbell, carefully switch it back to the on position. Your Ring doorbell should now be receiving power if it is a wired model. For battery models, the pre-charged battery is already doing its job. You might see a light on the front of the Ring doorbell illuminate or start flashing. This usually means it is powered on and ready to be set up with the app. This is an exciting moment because you are almost done with the physical installation. The next big step is to connect your Ring doorbell to your smartphone. You will need the Ring app for this. Go to the App Store on your smartphone. This is the Apple App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android phones. Search for the Ring app, download it and install it on your phone. Once it is installed, open the app. If you already have a Ring account, you can log in. If you are new to Ring, you will need to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. This usually involves providing an email address and creating a password. Once you are logged into the Ring app, you need to add your new doorbell. Look for an option like Set up a device or a plus icon. Tap on it. The app will then ask you what kind of device you are setting up. Choose doorbells. Then you will likely need to scan a QR code. This QR code is usually found on the Ring doorbell itself or on its packaging. The app will show you where to find it. Point your phone's camera at the QR code. The app should recognize it and identify your specific Ring doorbell model. Follow the prompts in the app to continue. The Ring app will then guide you through connecting your doorbell to your home's Wi-Fi network. This is a very important step. Your Ring doorbell needs Wi-Fi to send alerts and video to your phone. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi network name and password. The app will instruct your Ring doorbell to look for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the list. Then, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. The doorbell will then attempt to connect. This might take a minute or two. The app will let you know if the connection is successful. After your Ring doorbell is connected to Wi-Fi, it is time to test it. This is the fun part. Ask a friend or family member to help, or you can do it yourself. Press the button on the Ring doorbell. You should hear a chime from the doorbell itself. More importantly, you should receive a notification on your smartphone through the Ring app almost instantly. Open the notification. You should see a live video stream from the doorbell's camera. Check if the video is clear. Test the two-way talk feature by speaking into your phone and listening for your voice from the doorbell speaker, and have someone speak at the door. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Ring doorbell. You can now enjoy the added security and convenience it brings to your home. Take some time to explore the Ring app. You can customize motion detection zones. This tells the doorbell where to look for motion. You can also adjust notification settings and link it to other smart home devices if you have them. Knowing you can see and speak to whoever is at your door from wherever you are provides wonderful peace of mind. Enjoy your new layer of home protection and the smart features it offers.